The next video is going to be about the B major and F sharp major scales because they share a very similar fingering pattern where you use fingers 2 and 3 on the groups of 2 black keys and the groups of 2, 3, and 4 on the 3 black keys. And this is also true of C sharp major or D flat major, but there's one other thing that's true of the left hand of D flat major, so I'm going to put that in a group with A flat, E flat, B flat scales. Now, as far as the structure is concerned, so the fourth note of B major, okay, let's go back to E major. The fourth note of E major is A, and when you get to B major, you'll raise that A to an A sharp to make a half step between the A sharp and the B. And the other thing that's true is that the second half of the E major scale, which is B, C sharp, D sharp, E, is the first half of the B major scale. And then in the B major scale, the fourth note is E, and you raise that fourth note a half step to make a leading tone to tonic relationship between the E sharp and F sharp in F sharp major. And then the second half of the B major scale is the first half of the F sharp major scale. So I hope this helps. Enjoy and practice. The fingering for the B major scale is 1 on B, 2 and 3 on the 2 black keys, 1 on E, 2, 3, 4 on the 3 black keys, and then 1 on B again. So as you can see, it follows the rule that fingers 2 and 3 play the 2 black keys and 2, 3, 4 play the 3 black keys. The same thing is true for the left hand. You start with finger 4 on B, 3 and 2 on the 2 black keys, 1 on E, 4, 3, 2 on the 3 black keys. So I will play this 2 octaves with my right hand. And then also 2 octaves with my left hand. And then I'll try it hands together, 1 octave, 2 octaves, 3 octaves, 4 octaves. So you start with 1 and 4. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. When you have 4 in the left hand, you have 2 in the right hand. When you have 4 in the right hand, you have 2 in the left hand. And then F sharp does the same thing. 2, 3, 4 on the 3 black keys, 1 on B, 2, 3 on the 2 black keys, 1 on E sharp. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. In other words, by the same thing I mean 2, 3, 4 on the 3 black keys, 2, 3 on the 2 black keys, and your thumb everywhere else. And that's true of the left hand as well. 4, 3, 2, 1 on B, 1 on F sharp, E sharp, sorry. So I'll play it 2 octaves with my right hand. 1, 2, 3. and 2 octaves with my left hand. Four, three, two, 1, 3, 2, 1. And I'll play it 4 octaves, 1 octave, 2 octaves, 3 octaves, 4 octaves, hands together. So 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2 on the 3 black keys. Thumb and thumb. Thumb and thumb. 3, 2 on the 2 black keys. And 4, 3, 2 or 2, 3, 4.